हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। मेरा फंडेड अकाउंट में ट्रेडिंग का एक वीक कंप्लीट हो गया। तो बेसिकली 5 ट्रेडिंग डेज थे, जिसमें से मेरे 5 के 5 दिन ट्रेड मैंने करे नहीं। 2 दिन मेरे को सेटअप मिला नहीं, या फिर वो ए प्लस पोटेंशियल सेटअप था नहीं, तो मैंने ट्रेड अवॉइड करा। तो गोल यही है कि इसको आज सुन आज पॉसिबल $2600 का जो थ्रेशोल्ड है उससे ऊपर लेके जाना है। देन फिर ताकि हम पे आउट रिक्वेस्ट कर सके। दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट टाइम गेटिंग फंडेड एंड दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, सो आई वांट द पे आउट ऑन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, सो दैट्स अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक ड्रीम एंड इट इज एन अचीवेबल। वी हैव ट्रेडेड ओनली 3 days। 3 दिन हमने ट्रेड किया एंड 3 के 3 दिन हमारे विनर्स ट्रेड थे, नो लॉस। बट द PNL वॉज 600 अप्रॉक्स $600। बट ये जो है $600, रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज ऑल द 3 trades आई टुक आई एग्जिटेड अर्ली। आई डिडंट वेटेड फॉर फुल TP, आई डिडंट वेटेड फॉर द फुल SL। तो तीनों के तीनों विनर्स थे, मैंने प्रॉफिट में तो निकाल दिया, बट द रिजल्ट वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट अगर मैं अपने सेटअप पे भरोसा रखता। अगर मैं थोड़ा मतलब समटाइम्स बिकॉज इट वाज अ फंडेड अकाउंट एंड द ट्रेलिंग ड्रॉडाउन इज द मेन एनिमी। ट्रेलिंग ड्रॉडाउन के वजह से इतना पैनिक क्रिएट होता है व्हेन द पोजीशन इज इन पॉजिटिव। So I already have this thing in my mind that if it comes even to break even, that I'll have a loss on my trailing drawdown, and I'll have uh, a lower threshold next day. So this is something which constantly fights with my mind. तो इसके वजह से I am observing that I'm panicking a lot. मतलब when I'm into the trade, even the setup is very 10 out of 10 A plus potential. I'm still panicking. I am considering all the situation. I am exiting early. So let me take you straight to the journal. सीधा journal पे चलते हैं मेरे. I'll show you the trade. I'll show you my posted analysis and my trade region, my setup, and then I'll explain that how I'm gonna trade in the coming week. Okay, so guys, we are back in our trading journal. You can see this is my Apex ka PA account. Win ratio, you can say it is 100%. Net PNL right now is $614. Average wins $200. Average loss 0 because we didn't had any loss this week. So these are 3 trades. पहला ट्रेड आप देखेंगे $380, सेकंड ट्रेड $76.05, एंड थर्ड ट्रेड इज अप्रॉक्स ओवर $150। ओके, सो मैं पहले तीनों ट्रेड के सेटअप डिस्कस करते हैं। लेट दिस कट इट वन बाय वन। तो मैंने फर्स्ट ट्रेड लिया था MNQ में, देन सेकंड इज ऑन MES, देन थर्ड इज ऑन MGC। 19, 20 एंड 2030 यू कैन सी दैट मैंने हर दिन ट्रेड नहीं लिया, मैंने सिर्फ अपने ट्रेड पे। सो ओके, लेट्स कम टू दिस फर्स्ट ट्रेड। Bearish channel long trade at break of structure of breakout thing. Market went straight to 80% of our TP and come back to break even. SL was already trailed, but it did not hit our SL and moved again to 75% in positive. I exited as it was already more than 1 hour in the trade, and my trade usually gives move in one go, either TP or SL. So to calm the mentality, I exited with what market offered by then. Okay, so this was the trade reason. Let's see the image. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay, so it is a bearish channel. You can see 3 connects, 1, 2 and 3, and as per our A plus potential setup, we planned the trade on the fourth breakout, fourth connect where breakout. So you can see I have marked it that breakout structure. This is the swing which was created, and I planned the entry at the breakout structure. Then this candle gives us the entry. It is a 15-minute trade. Then this red candle I was talking about, that which came back to our break even. मतलब हमारी entry मिली, then हम वापस, it was almost 80% of our TP, then we came back to break even because of this red candle. But I trusted my setup, I waited more. So when these two red candle formed, I exited because I was already under pressure कि ये एक बार ब्रेक इवन आ चुकी है, एंड एज पर माई पास्ट ट्रेड हिस्ट्री आई नो दैट माई ट्रेड यूजुअली गो स्ट्रेट टू TP instead of coming back to SL or break even. So if it is coming back to break even, it might can give SL. There is a more probability of it, so that's why we exited. So but I am happy, I was satisfied with this trade, and you can see the posted notes. It gave full TP next to 15 minutes candle, which shows setup and plan was perfect. But I do not regret the decision of exiting early, as we always have another opportunity next day. So this is my plan with the funded account. I'm not chasing anything, I'm not trying to get trades, I'm trying to get more A plus potential trades, more 10 out of 10 trades. You can see all the trades I have, the rating is 10 out of 10 because I'm only looking for 10 out of 10 trades. मतलब चाहे उसमें loss हो जाए, I am accepting the loss, but the probability of winning the trade is much higher. So let's come to the second trade. This is MES. माइक्रो ईएस पे हमने ट्रेड लिया था, तीनों ट्रेड हमारे न्यूयॉर्क सेशन के, तीनों के टाइम फ्रेम 15 मिनट एंड द risk to reward and on all three trades there is 1:1. You can see bearish channel long trade more than 1.5 hour into trade, decided to cut trade at small profit. As I know, trade usually does not hold this long for TP. It was a plus potential setup, though there's always a next day. So the same mantra here. Let's see the chart. Okay, so this is the chart. 1 connect, 2 connect, 3 connect, and there is a break of structure on the 4th. You can see the swing I have marked BOS, which stands for break of structure. This is 15-minute low. This is break. So I planned the entry when the second swing, after the breakout second swing was created. The market went more than 50% in our favor, then came back to break even, then we exited. After observing all the situation, I decided ki okay, let's exit this position as soon as possible. चाहे थोड़ा प्रॉफिट क्यों ना, $70-80 का, at least we'll close the day in green. But let's see the post-trade analysis trade के. Market did not give any further profit on this trade from where we exited. It was a trailing SL, a slight loss, but small amount is better than any red day. At least getting $70, $80 turns our day into a green, at least not in red. So it is better to understand everything. Sometimes the decision can be wrong, sometimes the decision can be right, but it is very important that you understand the perspective and you see the market overall. And reality में रहना बहुत जरूरी है, चाहे ट्रेड कितना भी अच्छा हो, you have to understand all the situation, whether it is affecting any news, whether it is getting confluenced by any other major pair. So everything is very important to get the profit out of the market. Okay, so this was about the second trade. Let's come to the last trade of this week, which was on Friday. MGC micro GC New York session 15-minute time frame. Let's see the trade setup first. Bearish channel. You can see जो तीनों ट्रेड मैंने लिए थे वो bearish channel पे मैंने long trade लिए. So it was a A+ potential trade and the perfect execution. Reason for exit was NQ and ES was failing rapidly, forming big red candle. I will update the post trading notes accordingly. So this was the trade reason I have marked when I exited the trade and I was logging this trade. So let's see the chart first. Okay, so this is the chart. You can see the same pattern. It is the same pattern everywhere. So you can see one connect. This is the one connect, second connect, third connect, and there's a market structure shift in 15 minutes. Then I planned this entry, the second one, the big one, break of structure. You can see I planned the entry here. I entered in this candle. I exited in this candle. So the reason for exiting was very simple. मतलब जब मैं ये this was a A+ potential setup and this was 10 out of 10. I had zero doubt about this trade. But the problem only is कि जो NQ और ES थे ना, उसमें इतनी बड़ी बड़ी रेड कैंडल फॉर्म हो रही थी कि आई वाज नॉट श्योर. ज्यादातर यही होता है कि ये तीनों पेयर ना कोरिलेटिव होते हैं और ये एक दूसरे के साथ थोड़ा फेवर में वर्क करते हैं. सो इवन दो गोल्ड वाज मूविंग अप, आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि उसमें इतनी बड़ी रेड कैंडल फॉर्म हुई बैक टू बैक दो. सो आई वाज पैनिक्ड कि मतलब कि वहां पे अगर दो बड़ी रेड कैंडल फॉर्म होगी तो अगर यहाँ पे एक भी फॉर्म होती तो इट वाज आवर एसएल. सो आफ्टर सीइंग द पोजीशन अप $300, $250, और वी नो कि ट्रेलिंग ड्रॉडाउन की वजह से कितना इंपैक्ट होता है. वो $250 का फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा जो ट्रेलिंग ड्रॉडाउन में मेरा 1000-1200 का डेंट लगेगा. दैट वाज समथिंग व्हिच कैन कंप्लीटली चेंज आवर माइंडसेट. सो दिस वाज द रीजन फॉर एग्जिटिंग. लेट्स सी द पोस्ट ट्रेड एनालिसिस वी हैड फॉर दिस ट्रेड. इट वेंट टू फुल टीपी एंड अबव right after the red candle we exited it. This shows considering A+ potential setup we should have trusted it instead of panicking, but decision we took was not wrong considering all the scenarios. So I understand that I have exited early. I understand that it was a wrong decision considering the setup was very good. But do I regret the decision? No. Considering all the scenario at that time, the mindset which I had, it was a good decision क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता ना next moment में क्या होने वाला है. So it is good कि that you understand the scenario completely. मतलब वो कल को अगर TP ना जाके full SL जाता, I would have been happy. मतलब मैं खुश होता कि भाई चलो I have analyzed perfectly कि वो जो मैंने analysis करे थे कि इसमें दो red candle बनी तो it can go down and it went down. It went to TP. It's okay. It shows that our setup is perfectly fine and it is working very good. Setup पे भरोसा करना बहुत जरूरी है कि what you are doing you have to trust it. Even though I know that I have exited early on these two trades which would have been TP. मतलब ये TP होते, मतलब मेरा PNL जो भी $600 है ये approx 17 या $1800 होता. मैं बहुत क्लोज होता. I would have no pressure. Even though still I do not have any pressure, still I am up. But $1800 and $600, there is a huge difference, right? So but it's okay. Let's see the complete account dashboard. This is my PA account. This is okay. You can see that $614 consistency score is 38%. So for the payout, I think we need 30% of consistency, which can be easily achievable. We have, this is our equity curve. You can see the winning. We do not have any losing trade. That's why losing mindset and losing mistake is empty. Winning mindset, you can see I was disciplined in all the 3 trades. Winning mistake, you can see I followed the plan on the 1 and I exited early on the 2 trade. Most traded instrument MGC, MNQ, MES, New York. We has New York में 100% का win ratio है. These were the 3 trade, 19, 20 and 23. You can see everything, and these are our last 3 trades. Although because हमने 3 ही trade लिए, वरना ये हमारे last 10 trades दिखाता है. You can see the mindset disciplined, exited early, followed. This was about the funded account status right now. हमने 3 दिन trade करा, 3 के 3 दिन profitable है. So I think जो Apex का rule है, it's to trade at least for 8 days. Out of those 5 days minimum needs to be profitable and the minimum amount should be above 2600. So we still have, मतलब हमारे 3 डे तो प्रॉफिटेबल काउंट होंगे इसमें से. नाउ वी स्टिल सो फार फ्रॉम द टारगेट. तो $2000 के अप्रॉक्स का बनाना, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली अचीवेबल. मतलब मैं अगर मेरे को बहुत अच्छे सेटअप नेक्स्ट वीक में ना, इस वीक में मेरे को सेटअप अच्छे, उतने कॉन्फिडेंट मैं था भी नहीं सेटअप पे, बट स्टिल इट वाज अ गुड सेटअप. लेट्स वेट फॉर, आई विल नॉट चेज सेटअप अगेन. इफ आई सी अ वेरी गुड 10 out of 10 A+ potential setup, definitely I'm going to trade it without any hesitation. Follow and subscribe the channel for all the updates related to the trading video, and if you want to ask me anything, just comment down everything. I'll make a complete Q&A video about it. So thank you so much for watching this video again, guys. I'll see you guys again on the next video. Till then, tata, see you, bye bye.